Espresso yourself? A coffee lover's dream? Hey there, coffee aficionados! Let's talk espresso, that rich aromatic shot of coffee that gets your day going. Or maybe it's the base for your favorite latte art. Whatever your pleasure, one thing's for sure. A good espresso machine can change your life. Imagine this. You, in your kitchen, steaming milk to perfection, pulling espresso shots like a pro. Sounds good, right? Let's find the perfect espresso machine for you. We're diving deep into the world of espresso machines. We'll break down the different types. We'll explore the features that matter most. And we'll even share some savvy budgeting tips. Get ready to brew barista quality coffee in your own home. It's easier than you think. This is about more than just a caffeine fix. It's about bringing the cafe experience home. It's about exploring the art of coffee. And most importantly, it's about enjoying a darn good cup of joe. So grab your mugs, coffee lovers, and let's get brewing! Espresso machines decoded. Finding your perfect match. Let's talk machines. There are so many options out there. It can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Think of espresso machines like cars. Some are sleek and automatic. Others are hands-on and built for control. First up, manual machines for coffee purists. You control every step. Next, semi-automatic machines. They automate water pressure and timing. Then, automatic machines. They grind, tamp, and brew with a button. Finally, super automatic machines. They do it all, including frothing milk. Remember, there's no best type of machine. It's about finding the one that fits your lifestyle. Feature focus, what to look for in your espresso machine. Let's talk about features. These are the bells and whistles that can take your espresso from May to magnificent. Pressure, temperature, and steam power. Oh my, first up, pressure. Look for a machine with a pump that delivers 9 bars of pressure. That's the magic number for perfect espresso extraction. Next, temperature control. Brew between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. And last, steam wands. A good steam wand is essential for milky coffee drinks. Look for powerful dry steam for velvety microfoam. Latte art, here you come. Remember, these are just a few key features. Do your research and compare models. Finding the right espresso machine is an investment in your daily happiness. Choose wisely.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 4. Budgeting for your brew buddy. Value over price tag. Let's be real, espresso machines can be a bit pricey, but they don't have to break the bank. The key is to focus on value over price. A more expensive machine might not necessarily be the best one for you. Think about it this way. You're not just paying for the machine itself. You're paying for the quality of the components, the durability, and the features that matter most to you. A well-built machine that lasts for years is a much better investment than a cheap one that breaks down after a few months. Here's a little budgeting tip. Consider buying a refurbished machine from a reputable seller. You can often find amazing deals on high-quality machines that have been professionally restored. Just make sure it comes with a warranty for peace of mind. Remember, setting a budget is key. Determine how much you're comfortable spending before you start shopping. And don't be afraid to wait for a sale or consider a payment plan if needed. Your dream espresso machine is out there waiting for you. Section 5, Espresso Machine TLC, Maintenance Must-Knows. Congratulations on your new espresso machine. Now let's talk about keeping it in tip-top shape. Just like a car, your espresso machine needs regular maintenance to run smoothly. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. First things first, cleaning. After each use, wipe down the steam wand, empty the drip tray, and rinse the portafilter. Easy peasy. Once a week, give your machine a deeper clean. Use a specialized espresso machine cleaner to remove any built-up coffee oils and residue. Next up, back flushing. This is a fancy word for cleaning the internal brewing components of your machine. You'll need a back flush disc and some espresso machine cleaner. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Finally, descaling. Over time, mineral deposits can build up in your machine's water lines, affecting its performance. Descaling involves running a solution of citric acid or vinegar through the machine to remove these deposits. How often you need to descale depends on your water hardness. Regular maintenance might seem like a chore, but it's a small price to pay for delicious espresso for years to come. Plus, a well-maintained machine is less likely to break down, saving you time and money in the long run. Section 6, Happy Brewing. There you have it. You're now well on your way to becoming an espresso expert. Remember, finding the perfect espresso machine is a journey. Take your time, do your research, and most importantly, have fun with it. Don't be afraid to experiment with different beans, grind sizes, and brewing techniques. The world of espresso is vast and delicious. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the journey. So go forth, fellow coffee lovers, and create your own cafe-quality coffee at home. You got this!